The average automation engineer in Seattle makes around $108,000. That's enough for a one-bedroom studio, a Starbucks coffee, and one roommate. But today, I'm going to show you how to use prompt engineering with Make to build a cross-notification pipeline, basically for free. Instead of manually posting your new YouTube videos on Meta, X, LinkedIn, let ChatGPT do it. Automate the boring stuff and save your energy for what actually matters. Oh yeah, and just so you know, this isn't the code report. This is the software hustle report. Make is built on scenarios. Each scenario is a tree with a single root node, while each node never loops back to their parent. In other words, a direct acyclic graph. Each time a node runs, it counts as one execution. Make gives us 10,000 executions and 512 megabytes of data transfer for each month. The nodes of Make are named modules that give us pre-built functionalities. For our use case, we need to be able to use the YouTube module, specifically the watch YouTube videos on a channel. Make gives us the ability to fill out parameters via text instead of having to use a programming language or call an API request. As you can see, I am copying my channel ID and then placing it in the prompt in order to save and execute. In case someone is posting multiple videos in one day, let's aggregate them all into one paragraph in order to reduce the cost of our pipeline, as well as not spam APIs with new posts every second. The text aggregator does exactly this. It takes a list of text inputs and turns them into one paragraph. You will need to visit the OpenAI developer platform in order to receive an API key. Next, we can use OpenAI's ChatGPT module in order to write a personalized hook about the video or videos by passing the output from the text aggregator. If we ever want to see how a module will run, we can right-click and select Run only for this module. This gives us a chance to fill in the variables of the module and receive an output so that we can verify that everything is working as expected. Looks good to me. Next, in order to parse the URL, we can use the text parser module. This gives us the ability to give a regex in order to set a variable for the rest of our pipeline. Finally, since we want to post on X, LinkedIn, and Facebook, we need to use the router module. The router module makes sure that each branch is executed. Setting up LinkedIn and Meta is pretty straightforward, but in order to set up the X platform, you must go to the X developer platform, submit a paragraph on what you're doing with the automation. Then under settings, you can switch your app to read and write privileges, and then set the redirect UIs to this, and you should be all good to go. I also like to add a filter on each branch. So if the description of the YouTube video does not contain hashtag make LinkedIn, then it will trigger that side of the branch. That way, my professional community has no idea that I enjoy making videos talking trash about them. You can set scenarios to run every day, every week, every month, whenever you like. And if you want to play around with this template, check the description. You should have a link to download, and then you can import the template. I have another video showing you how I came to this thought process live, if you would like to watch that. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you can like and subscribe. And yes, I see you people using my stuff for free and not actually liking and subscribing. I will be emailing you about that too. Other than that, this has been Make in less than 5 minutes.